Did you know there is a proper way to remove your gloves? I know that seems weird, but it is an important skill to know and master as you're working with patients and working with things so you can keep the contamination contained. One thing, if you're learning the skill or you're practicing or you're teaching it, it's fun to put shaving cream on your gloves and then try to do the technique without getting the shaving cream everywhere. It's kind of a fun visual to show what you're doing. But the technique you want to use to remove your gloves are, you're going to have your two gloves over your cuffs. I'm going to use my one hand, pointer and thumb, to grab at the cuffs and turn it over just a little bit. So now I have the inner part exposed, but I still have my pointer and my thumb to maneuver. Now I'm going to take my pointer and my thumb on my opposite hand, pull it up and ball it inside this. So then when I use my other hand on that exposed part now, I can pull it off and it's all contained. And then this will help keep everything inside. The outside was touching my skin, so now I'm going to throw this away and do my proper hand hygiene to keep everything contaminated, not contaminated.